everyone. So I'm back. I feel like I say that a lot. Thank you if you're here, because like I am the most inconsistent like video uploader in the world. The tea is that I've been kind of going crazy because I've been in quarantine. That sounds like so dramatic. It's more like self-isolation because I'm at an internship in Seattle where the coronavirus first like exploded in the US. So I've been here for like a minute, and it got me thinking that I was like, oh, I'm gonna make a haul. I don't know, everyone's kind of over it. We gotta think of something original. So right as I was sitting down to film the haul, I'm like, Corona. I'm like, what a great idea. Outfits inspired for quarantine, like, right? How about you guys? I don't care if I'm with people or not with people. I'm gonna do my makeup however I want to do it that day. I'm gonna dress however I was planning to dress that day. The only difference in self-isolation or quarantine when you're at home is that you kind of want it to be a little more comfortable. Because like in all seriousness, like these are kind of like sad days and it's like very different. So it's nice to go to something familiar, which for me is like fashion. And like look towards that for a little bit of brightness in these dark days. And I actually might be getting sent home back to Canada anytime soon, so super fun. So yeah, I honestly don't know if this is like a good idea or a bad idea. Either way, let's just go with it. I hope you guys like it, and let's get into it. Outfits. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.